Hello everybody, this is Kevin Jar Productions, back again for a little different video. And as you can see behind me, we have a box. And what's in this box is something very interesting and very unique. So I thought we would unbox it together. Now what this is a boxcar. But it's not an ordinary boxcar. This is something that has... I'm fine. Not tripped. Yeah, I'm fine. But this is a boxcar, which is... If I start bleeding, I'll be fine. Ooh, I cut myself. I'm sorry. This boxcar is quite different, very locally significant. This is a very old car. Unlike your modern rolling stock, which would... Unlike modern rolling stock, this one is very different, and I will show you why. Very well wrapped, and as you can see, it's old. We'll be very careful with this because this is very old, and this is in fact not staying with me. This is being donated to the West Jersey Depot. And as you can see, first of all, this is a Italian-built boxcar. But look what it says on it, West Jersey and Seashore lines. This is extremely rare. This is believed to be custom, and I'll say hi to the cat. But this is a custom boxcar. It's a one-off from what we've heard, what I've been able to figure about it. It's so old that it has the original Varney couplers, but on one side, this one, it's no good. It's kind of all disheveled, which is a figurative of its age. Stop paying the paper, dealer. Sorry, the cat. But the boxcar says West Jersey and Seashore Railroad. This is the West Jersey Seashore lines, and this is the only car that I could find in existence at this current stance. This is the only one in existence I could find. Focus. So as you can see, this is a very... sorry about my finger, but as you can see, this is a very interesting piece. This is very, very rare. We think this is handmade, actually. And this car is not going into my roster. This car is being donated. Is going to be donated to the West Jersey Depot, which was formerly built by the West Jersey Railroad. So this car has an untold amount of heritage to the depot that this will help interpret. So this car will be going on display later this month, and you can see it there. If anyone would like where the West Jersey Depot is in Glassboro, I will be glad to respond to any comments. But this is the car. Now, as you can see, it's very old. There's no need to test if it's working or not because it's going to be on stacked display. Although this might be a River Aussie with a paint job, but either way, this is very cool. So, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.